Ever stumbled upon a 404 error and wondered what it truly means for your online experience? It's more than just a missing web page. It's a signal that something behind the scenes is amiss. But here's where it gets intriguing. These errors aren't just random glitches. They often stem from how websites manage and update their content. For instance, real-time or delayed quotes you see on financial platforms, like those powered by FactSet Digital Solutions, rely on precise data feeds. If there's a hiccup in this process, say a delay of at least 15 minutes, it could lead to a 404 error, leaving users scratching their heads. And this is the part most people miss. These errors aren't just technical. They're tied to legal and operational constraints. Market data providers like FactSet, HTTPS www, ensure accuracy and compliance, but even they can't prevent every 404. Speaking of compliance, did you know that republishing, broadcasting, or redistributing such content without permission is strictly prohibited? Copyright 2025, Fox News Network, LLC makes it crystal clear. All rights reserved. But here's the controversial part. Is it fair to restrict access to information in the name of copyright, or does it hinder the free flow of knowledge? Let's dive deeper. Platforms like Fox Business, https://privacy-policy, balance transparency with legal boundaries, offering FAQs, https://help.foxbusiness.com/hc/en-us/section/440527 FAQ. Yet the line between protection and restriction remains blurry. So here's a thought-provoking question for you. In an era of instant information, should we prioritize accessibility over exclusivity, or is there a middle ground we're missing? Share your thoughts below. Let's spark a conversation.